What's happening, YouTube? It's JD Trades. I'm back again with another market outlook. As we always do, I'm going to give you guys a quick rundown of everything that's happened so far in this morning's London session. Guys, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. My Telegram has been popping. Guys, trades have been dropping. If you're not inside of my Telegram, link to my Telegram is in the description box down below. Click that link and join my Telegram. It's completely for free. So far today, we don't have any high impact news. It's from Tuesday that we're going to have some really high impact news from the likes of existing home sales. So without further ado, let's head straight over to the dollar. So the dollar at the moment has, of course, given us a bit of a drop to the downside. Realistically, I do want to see the dollar continue to rise. Okay, at least for the short term, to head over to the daily area. If you haven't seen my pre-market analysis, I'll go through all of the weekly targets inside of that video. Is the most recent video that I've posted before this one, right? I want to see price, of course, push up. Now, if we do get that push up, that's great. If we don't, that's perfectly fine as well. We really need to wait for the dollar to make its mind up in terms of what it wants to do after we've taken out these weekly lows. Do we want to start rallying up? We do have areas above where prices reacted from prior, so we may potentially head back up to those areas and then drop once again. However, the main target is that daily area, as I've just showed you there. All right, next up is on gold. Gold, I am expecting lower prices for gold. We seem to be working inside this 4 hour imbalance here for gold this morning. So I want to see if we can continue to drop to the downside, take out these lows and look for some sort of a reaction, okay, from this daily imbalance here. Okay. I do believe for, yeah, I do believe for gold, we do have weekly imbalances a lot lower, but I want to work inside of that daily imbalance first, see how markets wants to react. So the weekly imbalance starts from 2349.48. Okay. That's in between this area here. That's what the weekly picture is showing us that we can drop quite significantly. However, let's work inside of the daily area first before we move on to the weekly area. So from this area here, from daily imbalance, I want to see us get a pullback. If we are going to drop down into that weekly imbalance, which is down here, I want to see us work inside of here, get a push up, okay? Push up in the form of a pullback, and then get a continuation back to the downside to work inside that weekly area. So this might be, a 2 week target. It might not necessarily be something that's a little bit more short term for the time being. All right. Moving swiftly on is GBP USD from the swing perspectives. We really haven't had much volume in terms of price action this London session, and it's to be expected, guys. We're not going to really expect price to do, the absolute craziness this morning. For GU, we do have this Asia session high here from Friday. So that is going to be a draw on liquidity. Okay, so that is going to be a target, as in if price is going to push up, I want to see us get some shorts after this high has been taken before we potentially drop down lower. Okay. Next is on Euro USD. So Euro USD, if you did catch that swing trade here, you are, in some profits. 1 to 3 R&R, 1 to 2 R&R, sorry, is a little bit lower. So I want to see prices drop down a lot lower into that daily balance. And again, not much volume in terms of this morning. If GU does rise, this will probably rise up to this 1 hour area here, and we can look for some potential shorts. But ideally, I do want to see prices come down lower to work inside that daily area for us to go long. But other than that, that's it from me today. Just a really quick rundown because we haven't had much in terms of price movement. And as I said before, guys, join the Telegram. Link is in the description of this video. If you're having issues joining the Telegram, feel free to leave a comment on this video and I'll be happy to give you a helping hand. And as always, please leave a like on this video. It helps the channel grow. And as always, remember the theory behind the practice. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.